There is an identity behind these bags. These are not just a bag that is made in a factory, but it's a bag that is custom made, is handmade, is made with love and passion. I'm so happy that you guys are here and we're gonna make an amazing artisanal bag together. Alright, go ahead and open the boxes. There is a piece of leather. You would also find my custom handmade metal hardware that is all going to be used in the bag, and I'm going to show you how to assemble them. It's going to be a fun process. To me, there's a lot of value when it comes to like hand stitching, because you could do a lot more than what the machine can do. My workshops are an opportunity for creatives, for people who love bag making and fashion to come in and contribute, and it's such a fun process. I'm gonna walk you through every stage of what it goes into bag making and far and beyond. When you come to my workshop, you would walk out with a fully customized bag. So when I see a person walking with my bag, it's just beyond description. That's how much it means to me.